Welcome back. Today we talk about a question that can save you a lot of money. The question is this: do I need it or do I just want it? This is the difference between needs and wants. It sounds simple, but most people mix them up every single day. And when you mix them up, you spend money you do not have. Mia mixed them up too, for years. But she learned to see the difference, and it changed everything. Today, you will learn it too. One Saturday, Mia goes to the shopping mall. She is looking for new shoes. Her old shoes have a small hole. She needs new ones for work. She finds a good pair. They are comfortable. They look professional. The price is $40. But then she sees another pair. They are beautiful. They are the latest style. But they cost $120. And they are not comfortable for long hours. Mia stands there. She feels the pull. She really wants the expensive ones. Then she remembers the question, do I need these or do I just want them? She thinks she needs shoes for work. The $40 pair does that job. The expensive ones are beautiful, but she wants them. She does not need them. She buys the $40 shoes. She saves $80. That $80 goes into her savings jar. This is the power of knowing the difference between needs and wants. So what exactly is a need? A need is something you must have to live and work. Food is a need. A place to sleep is a need. Basic clothing is a need. Transport to work is a need. Basic medicine is a need. These things keep you alive and able to work. Without them, life becomes very difficult. Now, what is a want? A want is something that makes life more enjoyable, but you can live without it. Coffee from a cafe is a want. You can make coffee at home. New clothes every season is a want. You already have clothes. Eating at a restaurant every week is a want. You can cook at home. Streaming services, new phones, name brand items. These are usually wants. Now here's where it gets tricky. Some things feel like needs, but they are really wants. Mia used to say, I need my morning coffee. I need to eat out for lunch. But these are not needs. They are habits that feel like needs. The brain is very good at turning wants into needs, especially when you really want something. So you must ask the question slowly and honestly. Do I really need this? Or do I just really want it? Here is a simple test Mia uses. She asks 3 questions. Question 1. Can I live without this for 1 month? Question 2. Do I already have something that does the same job? Question 3. If I do not buy this, will I regret it in 1 year? If the answer to question 1 is yes, it is probably a want. If the answer to question 2 is yes, it is probably a want. If the answer to question 3 is no, it is probably a want. This does not mean you can never buy what you want. That is not realistic. It means you must be honest with yourself first. Then you choose carefully. Mia still enjoys small things. A coffee with a friend once a week, a movie on the weekend. But now she chooses. She does not just spend without thinking. And that choice gives her power. It gives her control over her money. Every time you choose a need over a want, you save money. Every time you save money, it goes to work for you through compounding. Small choices, big results, over time. Today, we learned the difference between needs and wants. A need is something you must have. A want is something you like but can live without. The brain turns wants into needs, so you must ask the question slowly and honestly. Use the 3 questions. Can I live without it? Do I have something similar? Will I regret not buying it? You do not need to stop enjoying life. You just need to choose with awareness. Mia chose the $40 shoes. She saved $80. That money is now growing. One small choice, one big step forward. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel grow. Share this with someone who spends without thinking today. See you in the next episode.